welcome to summer. Yes, this is officially summertime. This should be the time even after summer school. This is the middle of the break. This is when you're feeling good about life. You're not thinking about the school year here, and you're not thinking about the school year there. You're like right in the middle point. Welcome to summer. And the first thing I'm gonna have to say is just good job on getting here. Baby, as a teacher, we go through it. We go through it. We go through the paperwork, the stress, the parent calls, the report cards, the grading, the time management, the professional development, the new ideas, the new implementation changes, the does, right? And so now in the summer, you actually have a chance to not respond to email, to not have to worry about paperwork, to not have to worry about this assessment break. So why are you watching this video? Because no matter what, there's always a trinket in the back of our minds on how can we make things better. So for this PD break, I just really want to focus on the best thing that you can do for you right now is take care of you. What? Yes. How can we build a professional development? How can we build a protocol? How can we come up with policies and procedures? How can we build a better classroom if you're not there to run it? If you're not in the mental space to do it, if you're going to set yourself up for burnout by September, October, November, how can your students be everything that you want them to be if you're not being it yourself? How can you take that one moment when a kid asks a question and you end up having to go into a real world instance where you can have an example if you're not living the examples right now? How can you tell them what the best is if you haven't experienced it for yourself? How can you tell them what they should be working hard for and why they have to do good at school so they can turn around and go to college and they can turn around and do these things if you're not actually experiencing it yourself? So the first piece about PD breaks right now and what you're supposed to be doing to make yourself a better professional educator for our students and for the world and for the global society is being a better person for yourself. Take this time out. Take your break, rest, read, like a for real read, like not even a development or a self-help or self-growth, like read, just read, like put words and syllables in your head and laugh out loud. Listen, find an audiobook, a podcast, develop, try something new, go paint. I know you suck, have fun. How about if you really want to challenge yourself and do something different from your kids, do something that's foreign to you. What is it like for you to learn from ground one? Try, do something different. Take a photography class, hike. Nobody wants to hike, it's hot outside, but do something. But do whatever it is that's causing you to have memories and make yourself a better person. Because if not, you're doing a disservice for who you are as a teacher. Teachers should always be learning. And this is your time to play. So I hope that you play on. This is Jes'ka.